Welcome to Linda's Art of Essential. I'm Linda, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of what you can expect this month from doTerra. I love using essential oils to help improve my life. Let's see how you can use this month's offerings. Let's go! March brings you the lucky chance to clean your home without toxins and save money. Since you are new here, get started with a healthy start kit. It includes the Pebble Diffuser and these 10 oils. Once you get started, I'll help you learn how to use each of these oils. When you place your order before the 15th of the month, you'll receive this 15 ml bottle of lemon oil for free. Lemon uplifts your atmosphere and is great for cleaning surfaces. Add a drop to your water to boost its flavor. This month, the Abode products are 10% off. Here in Canada, we can get the dish soap, cleaner concentrate, which you can get as a single or as a 4-pack, and the oil blend discounted until the end of March. The dish soap makes your dishes sparkle without exposure to toxic chemicals. If you go for the discount in the States, you can get the cleaner concentrate for 10% off. The concentrate is tough on grease and is plant-based. Get a head start on your spring cleaning with these great products. This March, doTerra is offering a limited time deal for our friends in the US. You can choose the Malama blend by itself or combine it with the diffuser. This diffuser requires no water and is portable. This March, you can choose from 2 Rescent Your Home bundles in the US. The citrus bundle gets you 2 mist diffusers and these 4 blends: Citrus Bliss, Island Mint, Citrus Bloom, and Supermint. Citrus Bloom happens to be one of my favorites. The Forest Bundle brings the newest blend to the doTerra family of essential oils of Shinrin Yoku. This blend was created to help people forest bathe in their homes. Can't get outside to get into the woods and be with the trees? Try diffusing this blend. If you place a 150 PV order this month in Canada, you can choose one of these products for free. Want an extra diffuser? Choose the Pebble Diffuser. Or you can get the On Guard foaming hand wash with 2 dispensers. Or if you are a very active person, choose the Deep Blue Stick to aid you in your post-workout muscle relief. For my friends in the US, you can choose the diffuser or receive the Abode Foaming Hand Wash Concentrate for free. Or if you are looking for a non-toxic toothpaste, you can choose to get both the On Guard and the Supermint toothpaste. That's it for this month's offers. If you enjoyed this information, please share with your friends that might be interested in a non-toxic, healthy lifestyle.